Welcome back to my channel Pratik E-Learning School, where learning is a beautiful journey. তোমরা সবাই হয়তো ভাবছো যে আজকে আমি পেন, বোর্ড এইসব নিয়ে হাজির না হয়ে একদম বই নিয়ে হাজির হয়েছি তোমাদের সামনে। ঠিক ধরেছ, আজকের ক্লাসটা একদম অন্যরকম হতে চলেছে। রোজই আমরা ইংলিশ পড়ি, আমি নানা রকম গ্রামাটিক্যাল যে টপিকগুলো রয়েছে সেগুলো আমি বোঝাই তোমাদেরকে, কখনো কনভারসেশন বোঝাই। আজকের ক্লাসটা একদম ভিন্ন। আজকে ছোট বড় সবার জন্য ভিডিও বানাচ্ছি, অর্থাৎ ছোটরাও যেমন শিখবে বড়রাও তেমন শিখবে। আমি একটু বলে দিই, আজকে থেকে আমি একটি নতুন সিরিজ শুরু করছি, আর সেটা হচ্ছে ইংলিশ স্টোরির ওপরে একটা সিরিজ। আজকে তার প্রথম এপিসোড। হ্যাঁ, এই এপিসোড প্রত্যেক ফ্রাইডে করে আসবে। প্রত্যেক ফ্রাইডে আমরা ইংলিশের স্টোরির ওপরে কাজ করব, অর্থাৎ আমরা ইংলিশ স্টোরি থেকে খুব সহজেই আমাদের ভোকাবুলারিটাকেও ইমপ্রুভ করতে পারবো, প্লাস আমাদের লিসেনিং স্কিলটাও কিন্তু ইমপ্রুভ করবে। আমার ভিডিও দেখে যদি তোমরা উপকৃত হও তাহলে অবশ্যই কিন্তু লাইক, কমেন্ট এবং শেয়ার করতে একদম ভুলো না। আর হ্যাঁ, যারা নতুন রয়েছে চ্যানেলে তাদের জন্য বলে দিই, তারা অবশ্যই কিন্তু চ্যানেলের ভিডিও ভালো লাগলে সাবস্ক্রাইব করে পাশে থাকা বেল আইকনটি প্রেস করতে ভুলো না। তাহলে চলো আজকের এপিসোডটি শুরু করা যাক। Today's story is Lord Vishnu's devotee. One day, Lord Indra, Yamraj, Lord Brahma, and some other gods went to Lord Vishnu and asked him, Lord, who do you think is your most devout devotee? Lord Vishnu replied, he is Rantidev. King Rantidev gave up his kingdom, royal lifestyle, and has been fasting for last 48 days, chanting your name. Are you talking about him? Asked Lord Brahma. Yes, I am talking about him, Lord Vishnu replied. Today he is going to end his fast. Let us go to taste him. I know a hungry man cannot share his food. Let us see if he gives it to us, said Lord Indra. All the gods went to earth. Rantidev was offering prayers before he was to break his fast. Water and food were placed before him. After the prayers, just as he was about to eat, a Brahmin came to the spot and said, I have not eaten for many days. Please give me something to eat. Rantidev gave him half his share of food. The Brahmin took the food from him, blessed him, and went away. Rantidev had started eating the remaining food, but just then a beggar came there and said, I am very hungry. Please give me a morsel to eat. Rantidev gave some of his remaining food to the beggar, and he started to eat his lunch again. A nomad approached him. Sir, I beg you to give me something to eat. Kind Rantidev did not refuse him. He gave him the rest of the food which he had. Actually, the Brahmin, the beggar, and the nomad were various gods who came to taste Rantidev. They all met and said, Yes, Rantidev is fit to be Lord Vishnu's most loved devotee. He has passed the test. But Yamraj said, Wait, I have still not tested Rantidev. I will go and test him. Then only can we have no doubt about it. So Yamraj changed his form as a poor man and went to Rantidev. Was as no food was left with him, Rantidev was about to break his fast by drinking the water which he had. Just as he was about to drink the water, the poor man went to him and said, "Sir, I am very thirsty. Could I have some water, please?" Rantidev said, "Yes, come here and take it from me." But the poor man said, "Sir, please, do not come near or touch me. I am an untouchable." But Rantidev placed his arms around the poor man and said, "I don't believe in all this. I see Lord Vishnu inside everyone I met. Drink the water." The poor man drank the water. Lord Vishnu had seen all this, so Lord Vishnu appeared before Rantidev. All the other gods also appeared in their true form. Rantidev bowed to all of them. Lord Vishnu said, "Rantidev, I am pleased with you. You are my true devotee as you see me in all that is around you. You are fit to achieve moksha." Rantidev bowed as he received Lord Vishnu's blessings. So here is the ending of our today's story. I hope you will like my story. And if you like this story, then don't forget to like, comment and share. So আজকের মতন এই পর্যন্তই। দেখা হচ্ছে আবার পরের পর্বে।